Hello friends, that this box is going to go a very long box and a very good box. This box is box number 17 and the MRP of this box is 2500. The MRP of this box is 2500. This is box number 17. And what all things you are going to get, just count down, count करते रहना कितना, because it's a very huge box. You are getting these flowers. These are total 4 in one pack. You are getting this chipboard. You are getting this. I'm going to show you. This is a like kind of, you can write or something, you can use in mixed media or for backgrounds. You are getting this also kind of chipboard in jute one. You are getting two more packets of this again chipboard. This is a double-sided foam tape, you can see, all new. One stencil, again MDF. These kinds of fences, these are on MDF. It's very thick and it's new. This pearl beads in cream color, this new. All are new stuff. And this is a stencil, border stencil. One fridge magnets. These kinds of pearl strings, these are 1 meter in each one packet. Some silver flakes used in raising. आप glue के साथ नहीं use कर सकते. shaker elements, albums, जहाँ मर्जी आप इसको use करो. One almirah, this is a miniature, you can use. One pouch of this jute, you can use anywhere. This is the MDF piece. 2 letters of A. Some these embellishments. One stencil. One this resin stones you are getting. One quilling. This is a gift from my side. This coconut fiber. Some mixed media pieces and some mixed media stones for your mixed media projects. And you are getting these stencil brushes you are getting in this, and some these wooden embellishments or whatever you want to use, pre-marked. You can see how many designs. The MRP of this full box is 2500 and you are getting at 1100 free shipping. And this is a very huge box. If we are going to count, this is for 1100. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 plus things are there. So it's a very good deal. If you divide 1100 into 38, you will get this amount. So it's a very good deal. You can get it and it's a free shipping.